This is how to trade on your phone. This is the beginner's guide. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe. I'm going to take this series to be teaching you guys how to trade on your phone. This is the only app you need on your phone, right? To trade Forex, to be trading Forex, to be trading stock, to be trading indices. This is the only app that you need. So there is an other broker app that you need, right? But that will go over onto the um another time. But let's grasp the first concept of trading on the phone, right? This is basically trading on the phone. This is all that you need to trade on the phone. You don't need any other thing. If anybody tells you you need something to trade on your phone, it's a lie. This is the only thing that you need to trade on your phone. So this is called MT5, MetaTrader 5. It is both on Android and iPhone. You can find it on the iOS, you can find it on the Android device. So when you tap on it, it is MT5 operating. It is a MetaTrader, right? This is how the interface looks. If you haven't downloaded it, you can download it from Google Play Store or the App Store. Then you get the interface. This is how it looks like. I've already signed in, so this is how it looks like. It's a demo account. Everybody, whenever somebody gives you a MetaTrader account to look inside or says they are trading and want to confirm whether the person is true, genuine, let the person tap on this three dots account here, go to the account, then check this side. You see it's written demo. If it's original, you see real, right? Yes, you see real. But because of this video, that's why I did this. I've downloaded this to teach you guys a video. Okay. This is my other phone I'm using. That's why it's here. So to sieve the scammers from the original people, right? Make sure you see this original here, you see real and the broker that they will be using. So this is MetaQuote, this is the broker that we are using, and this is the demo. So this the three lines here. You tap on it, it comes. These other features sometimes are important, sometimes are not important. We'll go over another time. So if you have multiple accounts, this is where you come to. So in the subsequent videos, I'll be teaching you guys how to add an account, right? So when you have a broker, you come this way, you find the broker name, whatever broker name that you are using, then you punch it there. So the broker is like a bank account. That's what I call them, a bank account, right? They allow you to trade, and the trader platform is like your business. This is how I call it, right? Because I explain it to people in my group, and for them to get the easiest concept, that's trading is not difficult. You can trade on your phone, yet it is possible. It is a little bit difficult. The hard truth is it's a little bit difficult trading on your phone and doing other stuff. If you want to be trading on your phone, have a time dedicated for it. Maybe 1 hour, 30 minutes, 2 minutes. When you are done with the trade, you close it and go. Because sometimes you'll be in a trade, by the time you go and come, Charlie, all your money is gone. Right? Yes. So make sure that as you are trading, you are having focus to have on your phone. Because that is the only gadget. Don't be trading, be making calls, don't be trading, be chatting. That is why some people don't become profitable or don't get to grasp on the trading with the phone, right? Yes. So I'm still navigating on the MT5. I said is this is so if you are trading now, you are a trader. They call you a trader, right? A trader is like, let's say in the market, somebody that trades in the market, somebody that sells tomato in the market. That person is a trader, right? What is the product that the person is selling? The person is selling maybe tomato, but we are selling currencies. So these are the currencies: AUD, AUD, USD, JPY. These are what we are selling. That's what I'm saying. So this is your office. This is your market office, right? So when you make the money, where do you take the money to? You take it to your bank. So that is the one that I was showing you to here. And let's see, when you take it to the bank and it's time for the withdrawal, the bank also pays you. You get your money from the bank. So this is where you work, you make the money, then you deposit it in your bank, right? So when you deposit the bank also pays you. So that is in and out. Now these are currency pairs. When you come here, that is the quote. They are called quotes. There are plenty of them. When it comes to this plus sign here, then you see that forex. Forex deals with currencies. Okay, forex is foreign exchange. It deals with currencies like AUSD, JPY, two currencies. There is the quote currency and so the first one is the quote currency and the base currency. You understand? They are two currencies together. So let's look at AUD. Sorry, it goes back. Let's go back to AUD. Yes. So this first one, because I'm long pressing. The first one is the one that we call AUD, is a quote, and the base is there. There are so many. Every country has a quote. Every country is a whole lesson on its own. Take time, then you read through, then you get. So let's say I want to do GBP, GBP, AUD. Yeah, that is great. And whatever you type, the name will come on your phone, right? So you might see a forest signal. I'll post it. I'll say, oh, we are trading maybe GBP AUD. Immediately you see it, then it's not in your quote. You see there is no GBP USD. You come here, you quickly come and say GBP AUD. Quick, then you go to add. Immediately add, it takes out. You come back, it's here, and all these things will later come. Okay, so that's how it is. So when you are here, and maybe when you come here on the fresh note, it's plenty. So you go to this some here, maybe there is a currency pair that you don't want. You go to the delete symbol, then let's say I want to delete GBP USD. I click on it, I go to delete, goes, then I come back, it is out of my chart. So mostly the currencies that we trade, or the instruments that we trade, they are called instruments. Note, instrument. The instrument that we trade. So when you go here, forex is an instrument, indices is an instrument, metals are an instrument. Let's go through. So indices are products or services that are added together. Okay. For instance, let's say S&P, S&P, S&P. You see, there is S&P 500. S&P 500 combine Nike shoes, income fund, depending on the products that are available to come on the market, right? Yes, so they are all joined together to come in. So that is uh, that is the indices. Now let's go to metals. Metals are, gold is a metal. We all know gold is a metal. Silver is a metal. So always look at the quotes, the first ones. Look at them. Yes. So there is silver, there is gold, there is palladium. So look, and they have symbols. So gold is XAU, right? XAU. Wherever you see XAU, it means it's gold. So sometimes I can just put a signal and say we are trading gold, maybe stop loss this, TP this. We'll talk about those ones. Yes. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because I'm teaching all this and I don't want you to miss. If you miss, this is an opportunity. I'm grasping for my daily routines or my duty tasks to teach, because the people I'm teaching, most of you guys are telling me you want to do it on your phone, you want to do your phone, and I've discovered the best strategy to help you learn on your phone. So I'll be sharing the video links to you later in the group so that you can be watching and be learning from. If you are new to subscribe, make sure you like. That is the most important thing. Like, if you are finding value in what I'm teaching you, please like. Okay, so there is the gold. I've told you. Then there. So every currency can be combined, right? Yes. Now let's go to uh the quote. We are now in the quote session. So the quotes, the what you see down here, the 8, 15, 19, yeah, those ones, forget about those ones. Then you see there is 1 point. Look at Euro USD. That is EUR USD over here. When it comes, there is 1.15281. The 1.1529. The first one that you see here, these are the ask currency. They're asking you, right? Then these ones are the bid, right? So remember the tomato example that I'm giving. Now you're a trader, you're a tomato trader. Let's put it that way. Maybe you are selling your things at maybe $1, let's put it $1.15281, and somebody comes and say, oh, I'll pay $1.15296. Right, I've taught you guys all this, but I still want to go over again so that you get it on the trading app. And if anybody chance on this video for the first time, you also get to understand it. So please subscribe to this video and like. That is the most important thing, guys. Support me, like this video so that I'll be motivated to be teaching you guys more every day. So this is, as I said, the axe price, right? We call them the axe prices. Then this one is the bid prices. Yes, bid prices. These are terminologies I'm teaching you so that in case you chance upon a script or a PDF, because there are terms out there, chance on, then you are reading, you understand what you are reading, right? These things sometimes are not important. What we are here for is the money. We are here to make money, and that is the most important thing, is the money that we are making. That is all. So now there is something that we call pip. Maybe you have heard it, PIP. Yeah, pip, point in price, point, yeah, point in percentage. That is the pip. Yes, so you have seen it everywhere. So you see the 2.8, the one big, the one there they have made big. Yes, those are the pips. All the numbers here are called pips. 1.35. In trading, we don't see numbers, or maybe every instrument has a pip. So this is one. So when the 2.8, when it goes to 9, it's one pip. So 2.8 to 2.9 is one pip. 38 to 40 is how many pips? Two pips. Guys, you are smart. 60 to 62 is two pips. 75 to 77 is two pips. 90, good. 98, look at the difference. 92.98, then 93.03. So this pip is a huge pip interval between. So this is going up. These ones are all going up. So the 92.98 and the 93, that means it has moved about 100 pips above. Perfect. We'll get there. So the ask price and the bid price brings you the difference. So the ask price and the bid price, let me do a quick illustration for you. You see these red and green lines here. Yeah, red and green line. The red one is the ask price, the first prices, and the second one is the second. So look at we are looking at AUDJPY. Right, look here. AUDJPY. I said the ask price is 93. Look, and let's go. You see, good. Then let's go. The bid price 92. You see, 92. This is what you are seeing here. So every price that is illustrated is the same thing that will come there. Okay. Yes. So you can change the interface. I just changed the interface. That's why it looks this way. Let me change the interface again. So these are all interfaces that you can change if you want them, but mostly I prefer to have my interface. So you see it is having the bid and the ask. As I said, there is a bid in the ask, so there is no need to be changing or something. Yes. So now let's go to the chart. This is the chat session. Yes, this is where all the magic happens. This is where the money is. This is where we make money from, right? So when you deposit the money, let's go to this before you can take chat. It comes here. When it comes here, this is your actual money, the balance, right? If you open a demo account, they give you a virtual money. It is not real money, guys. It is not real money. I said it is not real money. It is virtual. I can choose any amount that you want. This one they give us 100,000. Yes. So when you get 100, every broker what they give to you. So this one they give 100,000. So we come to history. When you place a trade, because it's a fresh account, I've not touched it. You can see the dates. Yes. Then if it's blue, it means it's a profit. It's a one trade. Yes. If it is red, that means it's a lost trade, guys. So I've taught you this. So someone can show the accounting, they'll be showing you this side, then they'll show you all the blues first. Then this is settings. Okay, it's what we call settings. You come here, then you select the one that you want. Don't worry. Subsequently, I'll be teaching you and be taking you to. I'll be doing this solely on the phone, guys. Solely on the phone. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. like so that I'll be motivated to do it. See, it's the likes that I see that motivates me to do because I fought it a long time not to teach, but people are saying I should teach here. That's why I want to teach on my phone for you guys to understand. So please like this video so that I'll be motivated to do more. And comment any question that you have, what you didn't understand. I will look through and come and help you guys. So that is it. Let's go to the trade I've explained. That is where the magic happens. Now the chart. Yes, I want to take you through very briefly before we go to the next session. This is the plus sign here, up here. You see, yes. So it takes you. You see, you can just be playing around with it. This is there are something we call indicators. We'll talk about it another time. This is the time frame. Either you tap on the screen or you tap on it will come. So when you tap on the screen, there is the time frames. So the time frames we have M1, that is 1 minute. You see here, you can see right. Yes, that is M1. M1 means 1 minute. So we go again to M5, that is 5 minutes. M15, look up there, that is 15 minutes. M30, that is 30 minutes. H1, that is 1 hour. H4, that is 4 hour. D1, what do you think D1 will be? D1 will be daily. So D1, yes. Then W1 will be what? Weekly. Then MN will be monthly, yes. So you notice that whenever I tap on a time frame, it changes. Whenever I tap on a time frame, it changes, yes. That is trading. So we have what we call the scalpers, the day traders, the swing traders, the position traders. We have plenty people that trade on plenty times, right? The reason for this is one, depending on your capital, the money that you are using to trade, and depending on the time. That's why I said trading with your phone needs time. So if you don't have the time to trade with your phone, then please don't trade at all. You will lose money. You don't you are doing other thing, you are chatting and you will lose money. All your money will be gone before you realize the money is gone. Yes, you wouldn't even understand and appreciate what you are doing. So this is all where the magic happened. So the ask price and the big price, you see, when I came to one, it has opened up. You see, it has given the distance here. Let's go again. See, it is coming closer. It is coming closer. It is coming closer. It is coming closer. It is coming, yes. It is coming closer. So I want you guys to understand this because most of the time people immediately they place the trade, they said, hey, I'm in red, so I'm losing money, then they close it. No, if you place a trade, let's say we are expecting that this market to go up, right, to this level. Immediately you place a trade here, this is where they will ask first. So you'll be in red automatically. Then wait for this blue sign to come here, this green, sorry, to come here before we start making money. If you say immediately you paste it here, you are becoming red, then you don't understand what you are doing. So that's what I'm saying. Depending on the currencies, as time goes on, I'll be taking you through BTC and some cryptocurrencies that I'm currently analyzing and learning much on. Okay, so mostly it's advised on the forex pairs to go to the, if you don't have a huge capital, okay, go to the either the 5 minutes or the 15 minutes, right? Yes, the 15 minutes. You'll be taking it from there. That one, every 15 minutes is one candle. Yes, I just mentioned a new candle. You see the space is now small. I just mentioned a new term, sorry. So when you look at the chart, this place is called chart. Wherever you see this, it's called chart. So when you look at the chart, you will see, let's start from here. This red one, yes, this green one. They are called candlesticks. Candlesticks. Some of you in my private session, you know it. Candlesticks. I just want to go over again so that you have a video visualization of it. Okay, so this is called candlesticks. They are always everywhere. That is what we'll be using to trade. That's what we trade with, right? There is a lines, there is a the how do you call it? Uh, let me see. Yes. So, but for now, let's focus on this so that I can teach you guys very fast to graph and we start making some real money very soon. So these are called candlesticks, right? Yes, candlesticks. You can see them. There are different types. There are different types. So if you have your MT5, you can be going through them, be studying the types. They all have names, but another time I'll find on the time and come and teach you the names, the various names. On okay, that is what we use for price prediction. So if you don't know this thing, candlesticks, if you don't know the name, everything we have learned is bogus. It's just some baller that we have learned. All that we are going to be using is using these candlesticks. Okay, I'll find time and come. Even these candlesticks as something we call the anatomy. The anatomy is like the body parts, the way the body has the hands, the head, the legs. The same way this candlestick that you see here, it has, you see some lines, it has some box. Yes, yes. So this is what we'll be using very shortly. So let me teach you one simple strategy. When you download this, you can be using to be practicing on a demo account, right? I'll be teaching you how to place a trade later, but let me teach you this very simple one. So let's see, you see this red one coming down here, right? It's a red from this side to this side. It means price is going down. When you see the green one, it means price is going up. When you see the red one, yes. So some people, when they see the red one, can say the red is going down, let me also sell. Yes, that is what we trade. The people might, we trade with trends. That's why we are called trade with trends. So guys, I will leave you here. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. This is all that we use to make money. This is all that we use to make money. So if you haven't subscribed, please again subscribe and kindly like this video. That's the most important thing to me. Like this video for other people to also see and come and get this free knowledge I'll be giving out for free. Okay, so like this video and I'll see you in the next video. I don't want this video to be very long, so I'll see you in the next video.